Hello everyone, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings. Today I am going to show you how to draw a stunning jug that will impress everyone. So grab your pencil, paper and let's dive right in. First we are going to sketch the basic shape. Start with an elongated oval for the top opening of the jug. This will be the mouth. Keep it nice and smooth. From the sides of the oval, draw two slightly curved lines going down. These lines form the neck of the jug. Make sure they are symmetrical. Now extend the lines outward to form the body. Gradually broaden these lines to create a rounded bulging shape. The body should be widest in the middle, tapering slightly as you move downwards. Draw another slightly wider oval at the bottom to represent the base. Connect the body to the oval with smooth curved lines. Time to add the handle. Draw two parallel curved lines from the neck to form the body. These should be elegant and flow naturally. Add a rim to the mouth of the jug by drawing a thicker line around the top oval. This adds depth and make it look more realistic. Let's make the jug unique. Add some horizontal lines or pattern to give it character. You can add floral designs, geometric shapes or whether you like. Determine your light source and start shading the opposite side of the jug. Use smooth, gentle strokes to add shadow and highlights. Pay attention to the curves to make it look three-dimensional. Go over your drawing with a darker pencil or ink to sharpen the lines. Erase any unnecessary guidelines and refine the details. And there you have it, a beautiful jug that you can be proud of. With practice, you will master drawing all sorts of objects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for more amazing art tutorials. Keep creating and I will see you in the next video.